Hi everyone, pray that you all fine. Let's start. Today's tutorial's electric homemade screwdriver. Ingredients: N20 gear motor, 3mm to 5mm connector, lithium battery cell 3.7V, lithium charger circuit, mouse or micro wear button, screwdriver front grip, PVC pipe. First, cut the pipe to desired size. You'll use 5mm size, then place hole for keys. NPW, put a plastic cap on N20 gear motor for grip. Connect battery with the circuit. Join then buttons together and solder cross connection to it. Mount screwdriver grip to 3mm to 5mm connector. Can add a gear for free movement. Assembly the motor and connection it with button inside PVC pipe. Make a plastic bag to seal the charger circuit and glue it. This hole is to the connector if use and lose. That's all for now. Circuit diagram and circuit connection. Allah protect my Muslim brother and sister in Gaza, Palestine, Amin.